Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Gigi. Today we're going to have a super quick video. We are going to mix up some poly gel and I'm going to do a little bit of a montage with that. And we're using those Deagada powders that I had recently purchased. And we'd been using the shimmer ones, but right now we are using the ones that are more matte color, just a plain color, no shimmer. And these, I'm doing the orange, the pink, the purple, and then we're also going to do one that is just kind of a frosty white color. And then once we finish doing the mixing, we will head on in to the sculpting montage. And today we're working with my left hand, so this is another Adventures in Non-Dom. And that's why we're working with poly gel for the bulk of our work. I just find it easier to do poly gel with my left hand. Although as you can tell, I've gotten better at using builder gel, and we are going to encapsulate these, so I'm getting my practice in, but the bulk, here we go. The bulk of the nail will be poly gel. And so I am just gonna, again, do a little montage here of sculpting out these poly gels. We're gonna go all the way through the nails. And in the end, you'll end up seeing all the parts of the sculpting. I just thought for brevity's sake and to give you guys a little visual interest, we would montage it out. And here we go. And I am encapsulating as I go, but you will only see me encapsulate the index finger. And as you can see, we're just speeding through this. I think we're using the Makartt builder, poly, and I feel like once you add a little pigment, it's less sticky. So there you go. Now we're doing our encapsulation, and this is Saviland builder gel. I like how it self-levels. It's a thinner builder gel, sorry. So you can't sit around and play with it forever, but as you can see, self-levels beautifully. So there really is, in the end, very minimal filing. Now it's time to decorate, and we are going to be using transfer foil today. In that gel, though, it was starting to yellow. Guys, this is a real pretty holographic watermelon slice on stripes. It shouldn't work, totally works. But anyway, the gel was yellowing when I cured it, so I added a bit of purple pigment, and it seems to have fixed that problem. I can't guarantee results, but it worked for me. There you go. We're gonna do that on the two nails. I only had 2 sheets of that, or I would have done the pinky as well. But we're just gonna do these 2 with that stripy watermelon look. Those ended up being my favorite nails, guys. As soon as I saw it, I was like, they feel so Miami to me, right? It's just like Miami Nights or something. I love it. I don't usually go with holographic, but this might be one of my favorite sets I've worn in a minute. I went for a leaf on the, some leaves there on the pinky, because I don't have a third one of that particular pattern. I wish I had. And now we're going to add some green gems to bring a different color story in, just for funsies. And I just got these, so I wanted to play. Full disclosure, I've already lost one. I think maybe I'm not using enough gel, so I'm going to play some more and see if I can figure it out. I don't want to give up on wearing gems, and I suck at wearing gems, but I'm not going to give up. The same way I'm not going to give up on my channel, even though maybe I suck at that too. I don't know. I hope not. We're just about done here with the gems. I'm doing gems on the ring finger as well, but for, again, brevity's sake, we're not going to show that. I'm coming in with some top coat, and as always, do not cover your gems. I see, I don't want to say all the time, occasionally a trend going where people are covering their gems with either builder gel or top coat or what have you, and it just looks awful. And I don't know why you would encourage anyone to do that, especially, these are Swarovskis. Look at the shine. Why would you cover that? But you know, it's not for me to tell anyone what to do, I guess, except I have this channel and I'm trying to tell you how to make pretty nails or show you how I make pretty nails. I'm not trying to tell anyone what to do, just maybe give some inspiration for your own art, I guess is my point, right? And to have lots and lots of nail friends. Isn't that the best? Lots and lots of nail friends. Yes! Look at how pretty that hollow shines with the top coat. It's almost too much, but it's just enough. It's just enough. These are seriously one of my favorite sets I've worn in a while. I can't, every time they move and glint, my eye goes straight to them. And I haven't worn nails for like a week, so I feel real clicky and fancy wearing them. But this is the full set, you guys. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. Don't forget to click subscribe. Liking it helps a lot, and so does ringing the bell. Mwah! Leave me a comment. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.